course po, kasi ito talaga yung um, aside from that po kasi yung story talaga, parang may weight siya. Hindi lang siya basta, I mean, lahat naman ng mga palabas na ginagawa natin may weight. But personally, I just feel it so much kasi nakaka-relate po ako, and I really want this show to not just inspire us to work harder and to stay in the industry, but also the people who are gonna be watching this, na kung ano man yung sinasabi ng like may pangarap si Jenny, na merong kahit isang teenager na girl or boy na meron ding pangarap na mapapanood nila, and they will get motivated and inspired na, o nga no, parang kahit show lang yan, na-touch sila. So yun po yung weight nun for me, and every time na we meet on set, yun yung nag-fire sa passion natin.
And paano mo nakikita yung sarili mo doon sa character? And ano yung mga challenges ni Jenny na pinagdaanan mo rin as ano, person?
I would say from the start until dun sa mapapanood niyo po sa habang tumatakbo yung show, talagang nakaka-relate po ako bilang Zephanie, kasi nagsimula din naman po ako sa mga auditions, maraming struggles, like may mga nagsasabi talaga na baka hindi naman talaga yung para sa'yo, and again, kanina nabanggit ko na may rejection. I've experienced that many times for all the people na nakasubaybay sa journey ko ever since na nagsumasali ang competitions. Alam nila how I got rejected, how I failed at some point, pero one thing that Jenny and Zephanie parang have in common is they will never give up para sa mga pangarap po nila, dahil naniniwala sila one day it will happen, and I believe this is a dream come true for not just me but all the cast na kasama ko, kasi lahat po kami kwento namin to, and I'm sure kwento din ng lahat ng mga kapanood.
Michael and ano,